Hi everybody, today we're going to make this hot air balloon craft. It's made out of 4 symmetrical pieces of paper. What do I mean by the word symmetry? Symmetry happens in a shape or a design when one half matches up with the other half, like in this paper heart when I fold it. A line of symmetry is the line that divides those two halves that would match up. When something isn't symmetrical, we call it asymmetrical. Symmetry can be seen in nature every day, and it's something that can make artwork look really cool. Today we're going to do this hot air balloon craft. First, you're going to start with 4 different pieces of paper. If you have construction paper of different colors, use that. If you don't, use whatever kind of paper you have and we'll decorate it later. First, I'm going to fold all my paper in half. I bet you everybody can do this on their own. If you line up the corners before you fold so they match, and then you press it down and make a crease with your hands. Takes a little practice, but I bet you can do it. Now I'm going to trace the shape of a hot air balloon on the creased side of one of the pieces of paper. Draw big so it fills the paper. Once you have the shape drawn, you can cut it out right on the line. When you open your paper up, you will have a symmetrical shape of a hot air balloon. Once you have that shape, fold it in half and trace it on another piece of folded paper so you can make a second hot air balloon shape. You're then going to get another piece of paper and trace it again so you get a third one. And then a 4th piece of paper and you trace your shape again so you end up with 4 different hot air balloon shapes that are symmetrical. Now decorate each part of your hot air balloon a little bit differently. You could do circles or polka dots or shapes, or do different lines, curlicue or zigzag or stripe, on both sides, or you could draw whatever you want. It's now asymmetrical. Be creative. But that doesn't matter. This is your for what hot we're air doing. balloon. Asymmetrical is just fine when I decorate. So only you can tell us how it should be. After you decorate the sides, we're going to glue them together. I'm going to do it using a glue stick, but you could also use wet glue or even staples. Put glue on one half of your hot air balloon on the back of the design and glue it to another one half of the other hot air balloon on the back of its design. Then you're going to have to fold them real nice so you can fit in the other pieces. Keep gluing the backs of your hot air balloons together until all 4 of your pieces is together. Now let's make a basket for our hot air balloons. I'm using an old toilet paper roll for mine, but you could use whatever you want. And you could even make people inside it, or however you wanted. You could draw it and then cut it out and just tape it on. There's really no right way to do it. Pipe cleaners would work if you have them. They would work to attach the basket to the rest of the hot air balloon. Staples is something else you could use to attach things. We are also going to attach something to the top of the hot air balloon so it can hang from the ceiling or from anything really. These things are cool because when the wind blows, they will actually spin. I hope you enjoy making this as much as I did, and I hope I see everybody soon.